Welcome to Cosplay Kitchen. Today I'm cosplaying the Swedish chef and we are making Kermit and Piggy Kissy strawberry kiwi cookies. So hop on in, join the party, and let's get started. Today we're celebrating everyone's favorite on-again, off-again couple, Kermit the Frog and Miss Piggy, by making a pink and green cookie. The pink comes in as a strawberry cookie and the green on top is a kiwi frosting. So in order to get that strawberry flavor today, we're going to be using some ground up freeze-dried strawberry. You're good, babe. Freeze-dried, not dehydrated, because freeze-dried has far less moisture. And we're going to be using shortening today. They're shortening for a couple reasons. One, it's fairly neutral in flavor. And two, also it's gonna make it a little bit chewier. So we put that straight into our bowl, and our strawberry comes in at the beginning to make sure that we really get that flavor fully incorporated all the way through. And then we're gonna add in our sugar, and we're gonna be creaming all of this together. There we go, we got that nice and creamed together. So now we're gonna add in our egg. Now that our egg is in, we're gonna be able to add in our vanilla. And although we do get a nice pink color from the strawberry itself, we're gonna give it a little boost by adding in some food coloring. If you don't like using food coloring, don't worry, you'll still have some of that pink flavor if you choose not to use it. But I'm looking for something really bright and really vibrant. Great, now that we have all the wet ingredients mixed together, it's time to add in the dry ingredients. So we have some flour that we're gonna be bringing in 3 separate batches to make sure that it gets fully incorporated and also doesn't get thrown all over the room. Now we have that third batch added in. We're gonna add in, along with it, our baking powder and our salt. It's looking fantastic in there. It's time to go ahead, we're gonna scoop it out using a cookie scoop and put it into a 400-degree oven. Now this dough, you're gonna notice, is going to look rather dry, and that's quite all right, because as time goes on, after you bake it, it's going to start to absorb the frosting that's going to be on top. That's one of the things about this cookie that's particularly fabulous, is that it actually gets better with time. Like I said, these cookies are best when left for about 12 hours, or even 24. That way we have time for the moisture to get into the cookie from the frosting. But you know, I don't have that kind of patience. Good cookie. So if you had a good time today, please be sure to throw up a like, maybe even consider subscribing, and don't eat yellow snow.